Saturday no two concerts esi ewo Ghana. Just a concert kesiye involving two of A-list musicians in Ghana. Baako Stonebwoy there ewo Ashem and Sakasaka Park. And the second one no Sotum there. No medical yeah. Now answer you better ask and subscribe and click the notification bell so. Say videos of the two concerts. Think of Ekoye. Ghana for Ekoya or Mokoji Omwini. Now member Shatawale Abaso because Shatawale dear. Just a woko two nini na woko a medical DNA first we and our best sing call Stonebwoy dear no. Now dear yatsi what we are hearing on the grounds and it says Shatawale Koya no no Shatawale Nangasano. He didn't perform in Juma Waye na just so Nina because he name Shatawale say woko show or performing my own so performing. They say Shatawale performed only 3 songs because of what actually happened. The Ayatse NSA reportedly Nipa Bakokra Afemu Ewu. And no say my Ayatse, we've actually not confirmed this, but in Crawford now more grounds nesono. And then Sama Betu Yenima etrese that actually happened. Now me wa audio be ewa hase wa babia wo program na sia wo hu de esiye. The word describe no etie for to me hu ne say eye abrako semye. I say the esiye no and say Shatawale ebe perform so bia by say Stonebwoy dey na kra me hwe Shatawale by no na afedede na ye more into obviously medical dey na so ye say Shatawale eba stage say wo be perform na afedede na ye more na nkrofo pese wo mu be hu Shatawale che say wa wonim say Shatawale dey na fans for dey o mu hu na o mu ndey ne ho agro e na ye say wo bi se mi adede na wo be say wo hu Shatawale no wo de kwa fru speakers on say ye show no ya mountain speakers. And yes, speaker na ya mountain bebre. It will be up of fruit speaker. And I just say wo general speaker na so na wale na speaker no edri. Won say nkrofo so e wo ho. Nkrofo general speakers na nchen. And yes speaker no edrigu nkrofo bi so. Etie for arewo semo na edrigu nkrofo bi so na yes say ebo abrante bi so a ende amene wo kasa. Yes say abrante no wewu. We could be wrong if reports are yet and also you're wrong. I've also heard from a very credible media outlet. Womonso akasa afa but womo krano womo antretrim de womo e kan say womo blame police for. They say police for na nyade ama ebimo collapse a wo bi ebo dida ho a wutumi hu say nipa kono mo je new na nipa kono ase wewu. But from what we've actually heard from a reporter and obabi ana wono nso wo ho a what say de e koso no was say a nipa no ewuye na de esi ene sa nipa no ewuye no ya jeje wo mo a wo mo wo ho ni phones because no mu twa nti ya jeje wo phones ni delete video no intia na video no just encore viral no e wo social media na kaba this time video no go viral say hey medical program awaye wo bi ewu video no encore viral ya because of enkrofo a ya jeje wo mo phones mo twitwa ya jeje wo mo phones e wo ho no yenkonko tie ensema wo ba no wo de tu dwa me wi a na media outlet wo mo report ne so no me read actual etie for yenkonko tie
meeting say me hu say no obi comment say obi wu because of Shatawale ba so to concert ndo ade na nya sepitwa o obi kotna speakers ne so voice no on person mu wale na speakers ni nyina ede ebugu wo mo so amanfo collapse ya me russia amanfo de ko e ndo ade ne de si nya sepitwa o na ya kita phone say try videos ni na omo delete bibia fie phone so they don't want us to send the news out there but ye hu ya ba videos ni de ngofo nya videos ni because ya ni wo na ye try videos no omo delete videos ni fie omo ma delete videos ni nyina ndo de na nya sem ketwa o wale ba ye no hwe ase wale show na na ekoso this wale onu wakonka Ghana o ndo wale ba no ase ono kasa ne concert no ye it wasn't easy manfo ewu bi meeting say me hu say no obi comment say obi wu because of Shatawale ba so to concert ndo ade na nya sepitwa o obi kotna speakers ne so voice no on person mu wale na speakers ni nyina ede ebugu wo mo so amanfo collapse ya me russia amanfo de ko e ndo ade ne de si nya sepitwa o na ya kita phone say try videos ni na omo delete bibia fie phone so they don't want us to send the news out there but ye hu ya ba videos ni de ngofo nya videos ni because ya ni wo na ye try videos no omo omo delete videos ni fie omo ma delete videos ni nyina eh do ade na nyasem keto o wale ba ye no hwe ase wale show na na ekoso this wale ono wakonka Ghana o hey endo wale ba ye no ase ono kasa ne concert no ye it wasn't easy manfo ewu bi.
Now before we move on no em abo audio no ama mo ate na the mepesa meka and say ye issue disclaimer ebetumi aba na say because Ghana dey esi sometimes no you reporting news ebetumi aba say nkrofo a wo de news na bra yen say you reporting and nkrofo no na aye mistake ye hu bi pen nkrofo di news akoma nkrofo a wo mo kasa obefi say ne kra obekwa kohwem kra na nya ne kra na asema lady no work no baby a menhye danti ase papa ne say baby a wo say ye gege wo mu nina phones ye delete ye no ho no na trese me na kakra ho no na me na kakra because mo doso nkrofo saying no mo gege mo phones no delete video like ho no na me na kakra what ya say ho no ye me na kakra but no ne reporter yate no ne reporter wo mo de abeden abeto ye nim it could be say indeed it actually happened it could be say entro bibiasa ensi because we there yesi will be wu ye. We are talking about a life here, and so we don't want to put a wrong information out. Intiana ye issue this disclaimer no. Say a report and crofo ede ayeden abeto yenim into my bo audio natural. Now me really comment on that, but before I really comment on that, me really a post from another media outlet. One more very big ever Facebook from Society Watch. One more crofobia metai e follow mo na Society Watch. Say show no air cost no one more and na measure because they went there live on the grounds and they were actually taking live feed into na measure one more social media. Say show no air cost no Shatawale Bar Stadium na measure one more. Na asem we no mo try one more there one man said that am bosso say way intia and say send a lady na mabo audio later say we be ko full speaker then omo de mo am bosso asem we mo try no e wo brofo mu no mo say 3 persons were critically injured and one other person laid on the ground, appearing seemingly lifeless as blood oozed out of his head. This resulted in Shatawale performing only 3 songs as he felt his safety was at stake. The Society Watch they were reporting live, internet live feedback at Womode Mayen. Inti one more reported live no almost say currently embra na aircoso no almost say Crawford 3 they have been critically injured and nipa baako eda forma moja enu na nipa ko no won keka ne ho wodi weni hwa wutumi hu say nipa na ase wewu woda ho na from head injury. Now this resulted in Shatawale performing. Shatawale kran hu say DB say AC no wo jai performing na wo performing no we performing only 3 songs because of release the safety at stake. Into what we can also get from this story, from this very credible media outlet, and the story now wabana ediabetu yenim say yes, send ya wabana kind na Shatawale performing and ankofoni ye gidi when so tre say yes indeed Shatawale was performing. Wabana tre say wo biewu we so tre say wo bi da foma nipa ko no send ya moja nunu no won keka no huntumi hu say wewu etiefo na we so tre say media outlet na tre say head injury send your baneka say speaker e na bebo nipa ko ne so no etumi ba say speaker bolt so a obenya head injury. That is the story coming through. Meaning say people better na say akase Ghana for the media bloggers there insema enye pa na moka dabi intiana me de report asema audio na lady no okasa na me de no atamuchi me sanso a very credible media outlet or unso mo de ayeden atamuchi ebema mo ate asemi ye we are just reporting. We are not trying to spoil anybody's business. Inti eno ene asema etie for edaho. Montre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu. Senia midin kan share no and senia lady ne kan no. We've actually not seen videos of this. The able to the actual any pictures sebe edao screen so no be no kan it doesn't really show anything serious in the sense who say we go be da former we pra no be da former why say inti no etie for mo ntre mo adwen e wa asem we ho me da ase